home, Nick.
Thank you. Oh, forgot the milk. Add milk to shopping list.
You've got it. Milk added to your shopping list.
What's the weather forecast?
Heavy rain is expected to last from 3:45 to 8 p.m.
So much for my run.
Didn't you have lunch already?
Oh, yeah, it's just a snack.
I don't think you need a snack, Nick.
Okay, well, I want a snack, thank you.
Considering your small stature and sedentary lifestyle, your basal metabolic rate is comparatively low for a fully developed male. Any additional caloric consumption today is likely to be stored as fat. So much for your diet.
Hey, I deserve this. I've had a long day, okay?
What did you do today?
Oh, well, I was busy. I was, running errands. I did a bit of cardio, and then I
Go on.
had a walk, right? A brisk walk. Okay, fine. I did nothing. I went to the store and bought ice cream. So what?
Give it to me.
Give you the ice cream?
Yes. Put it in me. Do it. Remember your New Year's resolution?
Well, be more positive?
No, stupid goose, wait.
Jesus! What the fuck? I think my nose is broken.
Shut up. That's what you get.
For what?
For eating ice cream.
Gee, I'm only gonna have a bite.
Every calorie counts, Nick.
All right, you. Stop. And you listen. If I want to have a bit of ice cream, that's on me. So you stay out of it.
This is why nobody likes you.
Nobody likes me?
That's right. Because you're weak, lazy, fat, stupid.
No, just shut up. I don't want to hear it.
You need to hear it. You want to live your life like this.
I'll live my life however I want.
Sitting in on a Friday night alone, eating ice cream. Is this really the best you can do? Oh, what? Are you gonna cry? Little bitch.